this is Kishan Patel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kishtivity. Today, I am going to surprise you with my two brothers. Today's topic is math magic. Let's start.
Yes.
Take any one number between 1 to 9.
Okay.
Multiply by 2.
Done.
Add 5.
Yes.
Multiply by 50.
Done.
Add 1774.
Yes.
Subtract from your birth of year.
Yes. Finished.
Bro, tell me the answer.
It's 711.
You take the number 7 and your age is 11.
Wow! It's the correct answer. How do you know?
It is the magic. Guys, how is the magic? I'm going to do one more. Bro, take any number from 1 to 9.
Yes.
Multiply by 2.
Yes.
Add 5.
Yes.
Multiply by 50.
Yes.
Add 1774.
Yes.
Okay? Subtract it with your birth of year.
Yes.
Bro, what is the answer?
311.
You take the number 1 and your age is 11.
Yes, it is right. How it is?
It is the magic. For more interesting videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel Kishtivity and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.